Alrighty, hello. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I'm going to teach you how to do typewriter text in Roblox Studio. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into this. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is this thing called string.sub. So let's insert a script into Star GUI. We'll just name it text handler because this is going to be the same script I use anyway. So thinking ahead. And we'll just take this print and we'll do print. We'll copy the hello world. We'll do string.sub, paste our message back in, comma, 1, comma, and then we'll just do, like, I don't know, 3. So when this comes in, you see inside of our print, it says hell. I don't know why I said it like that, but it says hell. But if we like made it like 6, oh, if we make it 5, you'll get hello, because there's 5 letters. So if we do 5, you'll see hello. Basically, string.sub allows you to like pick out specific letters from a string. So this is a string. This is also a string. So if you do local message hi, there's 2 characters. So if we replace this with message and we do 1, 2, I believe we'll get the full message hi. But if we just wanted the I, we do 2, 2. So like the first number is where you're at in the message. So if I put 1, it goes from 1 to 2, which will be high. But if I put 2 and 2, it will start at the second one and end at the second one, which is high. What we could do with this is we can make a typewriter effect for our text. So let's make a text real quick. We'll just insert a screen GUI. We'll insert a text label. We can drag it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Then we'll make the anchor point 0.5 by 0.5. Then we'll go and we'll make the position 0.5 by 0.9. So now it's at the bottom of the screen. We'll just turn the background transparency to 1. I don't know why I said it like that. And then we'll turn text scaled on. Then I'm gonna enable italics. I'm gonna pick this fancy font at the top. I'm gonna make the text white using text color 3. And then turn text stroke transparency to 0. So now you have like a nice looking text. We're just going to turn the visibility off, and now we're ready. So instead of our script, let's do local text equals script dot parent dot screen GUI dot text label. Then we'll do local function write text, and we're going to create 2 parameters. We're going to add message, and we're going to add wait time. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the text visible. So we'll do text.visible equals true. And above that we'll do text.text equals nothing. So there's like, when it turns visible you don't see like any text, just like as a failsafe. Then we'll do for I equals 1, comma, number symbol, message, comma, 1, 2. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to do print, I don't know, hello. And then we're going to take this write text function. We're going to use it. We haven't implemented wait time yet, so you actually can just remove it. And all we have to do is add our message. So this will print. Okay, actually, let's just do hello. So it's going to print hello. The number of, so this loop goes through the message. This is the message. So just to differentiate these 2 hellos, I'm just going to do like time, I don't know, printed. So the way this loop's going to work is it's going to go through the number of letters that's inside the message, which in this case it's 5, and it's going to print printed 5 times. So if you press play, you'll see printed times 5. But if we made it hello with 2 O's, now there's 6 letters. So you'll see it printed times 6. So this code is just running, and it's going to run every time there's a letter. So what we can do with that is we can make it add plus 1 letter using string.sub, and then it will loop again and add the next letter. So the way we're going to do that is we'll just keep this code hello, and we'll add our wait time, which is 0.08. And then inside of our code, we'll just do text.text equals string.sub message, comma 1, comma I. And then underneath that, we'll just do task.wait, wait time. So this code is going to loop through all of the letters and add them one at a time. So right here, it's starting out with 1. And so I is like the number of like loops that we're on. Like, it's kind of hard for me to explain it, but like, at first I is going to be 1. And then when the code loops again, I is going to be 2. So we can actually just print I. You'll see. It will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will stop. So if we press play, you'll see, yep, it prints that. And as you saw earlier, using string.sub, you can do like 1 and 1 to only get H. And you can do 1 and 2 to get HE. And so on, so forth. So it's going to loop through, and it's going to add plus 1 character every time it loops, which gives you this cool writing effect. So hello. Another cool thing we can do with it is we can actually add a talk sound. So I have this little sound, which is like just a boop. We can you can add whatever sound you want. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So I just have talk sound, which is this like sound. I'm just going to turn the playback speed up a little bit so it sounds like a, yeah, I like the way that sounds. And then we're going to do local talk sound equals script.talk sound. Then inside of this loop right here, we'll do talk sound play. So every time it loops, it's also going to play a little beep or boop sound. So you'll hear a satisfying, like, I like that. That sounds satisfying. So we'll play that little sound every time it loops. Then we can just copy this code. We can do test.wait, like, I don't know, 2. This is pretty cool. So it's going to say, hello, this is pretty cool. I like that. Now all we have to do is add a function for getting rid of the text. So we'll just do local function and text. And all we have to do now is copy text visible, and the text thing, we'll just change visible to false, and we'll leave the text.text the same. And then you just copy this function, and like we'll do test.wait 4, and you'll just paste that. So what this code is going to do is it's going to say, hello, this is pretty cool, and then the text is going to go away. So yeah, just make sure it goes away. Alright, everything works. So yeah, I hope today's tutorial was useful. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, I'm glad. You can subscribe if you want to. Have a good day.